Hello students, welcome to this computer class. In this class, I will discuss about the second unit of the first chapter, which is Introduction to Java. I've already discussed some topics from this chapter in the online class. So in this video, first I will summarize the previous topic and then I will teach a new topic. So first is introduction. Java is an object-oriented programming language developed by James Gosling and his colleagues at Sun Microsystem. Java was initially called Oak, named after the oak trees outside Gosling's office. Next is basic features of Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Java programs are both compiled as well as interpreted. Next feature is Java is a platform independent language. Platform independent means machine independent or operating system independent. Next is Java program is written within a class. The variables and functions are declared which are defined within the class. Java is case sensitive. The uppercase and lowercase letters are distinguished by the language. Next is Java is an object-oriented programming. Object-oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different types of objects that incorporates both data and function. Object-oriented programming is a methodology that simplifies software development and maintenance by providing some rules. Basic concept of OOPs are abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism. I have already discussed the OOPs concept in the previous video. Next is Java compiler and interpreter. We know that compiler and interpreter are used in various computer languages. Each computer language use either the compiler or interpreter to convert source code into object code. So compiler and interpreter are software programs. These are used to convert source code written in high level language into object code written in machine level language, which is 0 and 1. Java language treats compiler and interpreter in different ways. Java compiler is a software that converts the source code into an intermediate binary form called bytecode. The bytecode is a common binary form of the program and work irrespective of the machine on which it is to be executed. Further, Java interpreter accepts the bytecode and convert it into machine code suitable to the specific platform. Let's understand this concept using this diagram. So, Java source code is also a .java file. After compilation, compiled by the Java compiler, creates bytecode, which is .class file, and then this bytecode is converted by the interpreter, and Java interpreter name is JVM, and JVM converts this bytecode into machine code. But you have to download JVM for specific operating system. Thus, you can say that the Java program uses compiler as well as interpreter. Next is types of Java software. So, there are two types of Java software. First is JDK, next is JRE. So, JDK is a software. Full form of JDK is Java Development Kit, and it is used to develop a Java program and also execute that program. JRE is only used for execute a Java program. JRE full form is Full form of JRE is Java Runtime Environment. So in JDK provides compiler plus JRE, and in JRE has JVM plus library. It is a Java library also known as Java API, and JRE only has JVM and Java library or API. API full form is Application Programming Interface. Here is the full form of JDK, JRE and JVM. JVM full form is Java Virtual Machine. It is the interpreter. Next is platform independent. Java is a platform independent programming language. On compilation, Java program is compiled into bytecode, like here. After compilation of source code, it produces a bytecode. This bytecode is platform independent. This bytecode is platform independent and can be run on any machine. The bytecode is converted into machine code by JVM. JVM is the Java interpreter, which is the part of JRE software. So, any machine with JRE can run Java application. Next topic is Java programming with BlueJ. BlueJ is a free Java environment from Monash University, Australia. It is a window-based platform for Java development kit. So, to develop and run a Java program, you have to install JDK and BlueJ in your computer. BlueJ is an IDE. IDE full form of IDE is Integrated Development Environment. Next topic is features of BlueJ. The compilation as well as execution of the program is comparatively easier than JDK 1.5 or 1.6 platform. These are the version of JDK. Next is it is a window-based platform. Third point is debugging can also be done easily as it indicates the errors at the bottom pane of the same window. Next is when you declare a class, it produces a sample program for the user to give brief idea of programming. So that's all for today's class. In the next class, I will discuss about basic structure of Java program and execution of Java program.